should be recording in a minute, huh? Yeah, that's recording. I just need to record this because I've got to do it for my social media. Hi guys, so I said I was going to strip my truck down and I've got to do that today. So now I've finished shoeing horses for 2 days and I've got to remove all of this. So I'll quickly show you because I was supposed to do this ages ago. All of this in the back of here, do you want to just come forward a bit? And all of this in the back of here has to come out. There is a shelf and then a slide out bed, that's all got to come out. Do you want to follow me around here? I've got endless things in the side of here and also around the other side. So I've got to unbolt my forge, I've got to take out, that can come out now, the drill's got to come out, so all of this has got to come off and we're going to crack on. So let's get going. Literally 2 boxes just carrying rubbish around.
Drop as it is and you screw it down.
Yes.
Rather than lifting everything out of it.
No, too heavy.
Too heavy.
Everything's got to come out. Those that slide out drawers and everything's got to come off. We'll never lift it.
Oh, right.
Good idea, but unfortunately that won't work.
Oh, it's welding.
Yeah, no, hard facing rods. Right, I think let's lift these gas bottles out,
Yeah.
and then we can unbolt it,
Yeah.
and it'll be okay then to lift it off. Because the thing is, while we've got to do this, it'll be a lot easier without the canopy on.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I think if we
Get the canopy off.
get the canopy off and then don't have to lift these gas bottles out, but
No.
they're gonna come out. They're gonna have to come out anyway. I'll just pop that in.
They're a lot cheaper at 15 than 6.
Yeah, well, I paid over £40 for one the other day.
What, one of them?
Yeah, and I was disgusted.
You do?
Probably better if you go underneath now.
Yeah.
teamwork makes the dream work. Close these so it keeps it rigid.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you probably don't want that. No. Actually, I might have to. Right, it is loose.
Yeah, just.
But the issue is we're going to have to lift it heavy. So, hang on. Yeah, let's put this tailgate Oh, look at that. No way.
We'll go over that.
God, that was a job. That was a job. Good boy, mate. This comes off in one.
Right.
2 bolts here and 2 bolts at that side.
Yeah,
Yeah. I think the easiest job for you to do is to start lifting all the shoes out.
Right.
So, right, Harvey, come on. You're going to have to go down. Come on. I don't think that'll move.
I can't move it. I tried to move it.
Because it's shagged, it wants to go in the bin. However,
I might get it out. You will get it.
I've got it. God, that was lucky. I didn't think I'd do that.
No,
I thought it would have fallen apart.
I didn't think it would. No, I was sliding my hand through and you pulled it up, get over a corner and you pulled it over. Right.
Give it a bit more welling from the back. We use a leverage.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it might be easier to empty it actually. Let's have a look. It's quite heavy. Hang on. Screw's not stayed in, which is good. So by the size, look here, you can grab it.
Yeah. If we could run it.
You stand here, and I'll lift it from. I'll stop and slide it. Whoa, wait. Yeah, I know, but let's put it on the bed first.
First we are doing it.
Go your way. There you go. That's it. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I am down. I just want to get it on the edge.
I look like money, baby, yeah. You can catch me where it's sunny, baby, yeah. If you talking that, you better run me, baby, yeah. All my haters, they wanna be some me, baby, but I never give them this. I just go and cop that. Anything that I rock, they be asking me, where'd you get that, Passing vibe checks, cause I'm a vibe, yes, I'm so fly, I got them so pressed, yeah. Face card killing, aesthetically pleasing. Watch the fit, I be killing hoes, really. Peep the acrylics, I'm shining, I'm beaming. Any given day, I be starting on you bitches. Wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. Anything that I want, I'ma get it now. Yeah, wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. I be feeling like a knockout, baby, pow, pow. I be winning, I be chilling. In my robe, I make a killing. Cutting deals like a boss, cause that's just how I'm living. I'm so extra, I'm too much. Oh, you ain't doing enough, yeah. I can put you on, yeah. Let's go bring it up. I be in the cut, looking fresh as fuck. I got all the eyes on me, baby. This is my world, yeah. I am that girl, yeah. Styling on a purr, yeah. Diamonds in the fur, yeah. I am don't really hurt. Face card killing, I steady kill it blazing. Watch the fit, I be killing hoes really. Peak the acrylics, I'm shining, I'm beaming. Any given day, I be starting on you bitches. Wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. Anything that I want, I'ma get it now, now. Yeah, wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. I be feeling like a knockout, baby, pow, pow. Ay, you know I got that wow, yeah, I got that pow. Ay, I got that $1 million smile. Ay, smell me that Chanel, baby, I feel like the one. Yeah, sipping on that bubbly, raise my pinky like a dawn. Ay, 10 toes down, check the temp, bitch, I'm cold. Ay, looking picture perfect like I'm straight out of Vogue. Ay, sported off the runway, cause that's just how it go. Ay, yeah, my body different, they respect me and it shows. Ay, face card killing, I steady kill it pleasing. Watch the fit, I be killing hoes really. Peak the acrylics, I'm shining, I'm beaming. Any given day, I be starting on you bitches. Wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. Anything that I want, I'ma get it now, now. Yeah, wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. I be feeling like a knockout, baby, pow, pow. Wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. Anything that I want, I'ma get it now, now. Yeah, wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. I be feeling like a knockout, baby, pow, pow.
Let it go down. Right, I've got hold of it at the back of you two. Does it? No, you can get hold of it.
I have got
Oh.
We're going through it, mate.
There needs to be closed. Actually, on this
On the post.